In this video, I will show you how to fix Messenger calls not ringing on Android. This usually happens because of notification settings or small app glitches, but you can fix it in a few simple steps. First, open the Messenger app and tap the menu icon. Go to Settings, then tap Notifications and Sounds. Make sure notifications and call permissions are enabled. Next, check your phone's system notification settings. Open Settings, go to Apps or App Management, then App List, and select Messenger. Tap Notifications and make sure Allow Notifications is turned on, especially for calls and chats. You should also clear Messenger cache. Just long press the Messenger app icon, tap App Info, then go to Storage and Cache and tap Clear Cache. Finally, update the Messenger app. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Messenger, and install any available updates. Then reopen the app and test your notifications again. That's it. Your phone should now ring properly for Messenger calls. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If you still have issues, leave a comment below.